This video tutorial will demonstrate the assembly of a 64-bottle display top wine rack. Follow the same assembly procedure for all display top models. Before we begin, check the package contents list on page 1 of your assembly guide to verify that you have the correct number of parts. To start, arrange the left and right end ladders so that the bottle supports face each other. The end with the larger gap is the top of your rack. Attach a standard connector to the top and bottom of your rack using the provided screws. This will be the back of the rack. Next, insert the middle ladders and finish securing the top and bottom connectors using the provided screws. Make sure that the longer risers are all facing the same direction. If you purchased a 12-bottle high display top, your unit will come with one extra standard connector. Attach this connector to the back of your rack. The top of the connector should be 25 and 11/16 inches from the bottom of the rack. Now, flip the rack over. Attach the remaining standard connectors to the top and bottom of your rack using the provided wood screws. Stand the rack up and cover the screw holes on the front connectors using the provided adhesive screw caps. Next, insert the metal U-bars into the 2 pre-drilled holes on each display tray. Add wood glue to the 2 grooves on the back of each display tray. Then, set the trays into place so that the grooves rest on the upper and lower connectors. You are finished. Store and display your favorite vintage and enjoy. If you have any questions or comments, please call or email us using the information shown on your screen.